Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Eprolo to Shopify. This integration is essential for streamlining your dropshipping business, allowing for automated workflows and efficient management. We will walk through the straightforward steps to link these two powerful platforms, ensuring a smooth setup for your online store. This connection helps you manage products, orders, and fulfillment with ease. The first step is to install the Eprolo app. Navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard and locate the Apps section. From there, open the Shopify App Store and search for Eprolo. Once you find the official Eprolo dropshipping application, click to install it. This app is completely free to use and serves as your primary connection point. After installation, you will be prompted to authorize Eprolo to connect with your Shopify store. Granting these permissions allows Eprolo to access and manage essential data, such as product listings, inventory levels, and customer orders. This one-click integration ensures that your store's information is perfectly synchronized, eliminating manual data entry and reducing potential errors. With Eprolo connected, you can now easily import products from their extensive catalog directly to your Shopify store. Eprolo handles the entire order fulfillment process, from sourcing and quality control to packaging and shipping to your customers. Orders placed on your Shopify store will automatically sync with Eprolo, ensuring a seamless and efficient dropshipping operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.